What's up, y'all? Phil back up because of the past, doing some videos. We'll start off with this guy. It's a Hot Wheels monster truck, Podium crasher. I'll get him out of the package, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Here it is, out of the package. The Hot Wheels 124 scale Podium crasher monster truck. Pretty neat. I think most of the time these Hot Wheels are real ones, but I think some of them are made up. I'm not really for sure though. To be 100% honest. I'm not 100 on none of that. They're always pretty cool though, I think. That's why I started getting them. I thought they were really unique and neat looking little trucks. And I really like classic looking trucks and not doctored up ones. I did buy one doctored up one and I gotta do a video on that, but they're pretty neat to display and look at, I think. Let me stop my spinner and we'll measure it up real quick. Lengthwise, we got about 7.5 to 8, 7 3/4 maybe. Height wise, almost 5, top of the cab. Width wise, got just a nudge over 5, right at 5 inches. So it's 124 scale beast, y'all. Take a look at it. Here's underneath it. The framing is plastic like all the others, and the body of the truck is die cast though. The engine down on the tailgate and the bottom of the, looks like the engine to me anyway. It kind of turn, the axle's a little loose in there, so it kind of slides back and forth, so it'll turn. It's got some nice up and down oscillation as well. The wheels say Hot Wheels on them. The tires, the wheels are orange in color. You can see on the truck it has a number 24, Podium crasher, Hot Wheels monster trucks. 24 on top of the cab, Podium crasher on the hood. It's a pretty neat little truck. They're about $10 at Walmart. I think that's how much they are. That's where I've been predominantly getting them at, is Walmart. Here's the monster, I think this is Monster Jam. Hot Wheels, and then they're two different ones. Monster Jam BKT truck. Pretty cool stuff, y'all. One of these days I'll actually go to a monster truck show. I've never been. They come around here every year though, but one of these years I plan to go. I'm sure it's a lot of fun. Alright, y'all, I'll close out my video. I want to thank y'all for tuning in. This is Phil for Up Because of the Past. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll talk again soon.